All right, everything's fully stocked. Nice, we got the cookies back. Got more of those jalapeno chips. And we got these new hot honey chips, which I think I'm going to try. We also got some more juice and some teas. So, all right, we're back in business. Nice. And to drink, I want to try some of this tea. 3. All right, so we got raspberry peace tea and Oots Mike's hot honey chips. I never had this brand or hot honey flavored, so pretty excited. I haven't had this tea in maybe over 14 years. I remember being in high school thinking it was in Arizona, and it didn't taste like in Arizona. And I don't remember hating it, but I also never had it since. So, ooh. Okay. Oh, it's razzleberry. Yeah. Kind of bland. It's kind of odd. These are very bland. They don't have like any seasoning on it. There's no hot, there's no heat, there's no honey flavor. Very good bunch. No, it doesn't have any distinct flavor. It's kind of odd. And the potato chip itself is not really crunchy. It's very soft, very pillowy. No, that sucks. It's really let me down. This is alright. I like it. I probably won't buy it for another 15 years. Alright, we'll see what happens next time.